The 2019 bond has made it possible for 17 elementary campuses to undergo renovations in the 2023-24 school year. By 2025, all elementary schools will have undergone major safety-focused upgrades, including additional card readers and impact-resistant glass.
For the 17 elementary schools, we did complete renovations. We implemented the 2019 bond scope, safety and security plan, which is segmentation of classrooms or securing open concept classrooms, additional impact resistant glass at doors and high traffic areas. We also put in classroom phones, security fencing, and we're also going to harden the front desk, put another layer of security between our receptionists and our visitors.
Open concepts are a great idea for the purposes of team teaching, but we needed to provide a safety aspect for our students. So when we looked at how we do that, segmentation was the best idea. So segmenting meant putting in walls and doors, still able to keep team teaching. So we take a pot of 4 or 6 classrooms and we build walls and doors around those classrooms. You still have the ability to team teach, you still have somewhat of an open concept, but you do have the ability to lock down and secure those students in a secure location in the event of an emergency.
By 2025, we will have renovated every elementary school in the district so that all of them will have the exact same safety and security features. All of our elementary campuses will be fresh and updated, and you won't be able to tell a whole lot of difference on the interior between a new school like Brosnahan and Emmett Elementary, which we just finished this summer.
Our teachers and students work very hard each day to meet our academic goals. And so by having upgrades with their desks and the chairs and technology, it shows that we value education and we value the work that our teachers and students do here every single day.
All of that directly benefits our classrooms. Quality of instruction, the instructional environment, the safety and security environment. I am so grateful to the community that they passed this bond.